How to overcome procrastination and increase productivity. Do you often find yourself putting off tasks until the last minute, only to feel stressed and overwhelmed when the deadline approaches? If so, you may be struggling with procrastination. But don't worry, you're not alone. Procrastination is a common problem that affects many people, but the good news is, it's something you can overcome. In this video, we'll explore some strategies to help you overcome procrastination and increase your productivity. One of the first steps to overcoming procrastination is to understand why you're procrastinating in the first place. Are you afraid of failure? Are you overwhelmed by the task at hand? Once you understand the root cause of your procrastination, you can start to address it head-on. Another strategy to overcome procrastination is to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This can help you feel less overwhelmed and give you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each smaller task. Try setting a timer for 25 minutes and focusing on one task during that time, then taking a 5-minute break before starting another task. It's also important to create a schedule or to-do list to help you stay on track. This can help you prioritize tasks and ensure that you're making progress towards your goals. Be sure to include both long-term and short-term goals on your to-do list to help you stay focused and motivated. Eliminating distractions is another important step in overcoming procrastination. Turn off your phone or put it on silent, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and find a quiet space to work. This can help you stay focused and avoid the temptation to procrastinate. If you're still struggling to overcome procrastination, try finding an accountability partner. This can be someone who is also working towards a goal or someone who is willing to check in with you and hold you accountable for completing tasks. Having someone to answer to can help you stay motivated and on track. Finally, it's important to remember that overcoming procrastination takes time and effort. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up or have a setback. Instead, focus on the progress you've made and keep pushing forward. In conclusion, procrastination is a common problem that can affect anyone, but it's something you can overcome. By understanding the root cause of your procrastination, breaking down tasks, creating a schedule, eliminating distractions, finding an accountability partner, and being patient with yourself, you can increase your productivity and achieve your goals. So why wait? Start taking action today and see the difference it can make in your life.